Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change background on Vistaprint. All right. So for example, wanted to create a business card. Okay. Just click on it. Now go ahead and browse from these templates. Okay. Or upload your own design. Maybe I would like to use this one right here, standard one. Okay. Select the paper stock, maybe matte, corners, rounded, maybe quantity. I'm just going to leave it to 100. Now, for example, you'd want to browse designs right here. Okay, as you can see here, you have these templates that will let you pick two colors in it. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, you have the darker green and green here. Okay, or white and brown, like red and gray, like so. For example, this one right here got multiple choices. Okay, so you could go ahead and choose these options, but if you only selected maybe upload your own design, okay, you have uploaded your own design next, right here in the editor. I'm just going to close this one and click on create my design. In here, to change the color, just click on the base canvas, okay, click on it, and as you can see here, we now have the background color. Now what if the template that you chose already got an image or background in it? For example, this one. Okay, you already have selected a template that got this color. So all you have to do is just click on the image and just hit on delete on your keyboard, and then just go ahead and reselect the base canvas. Okay, right here. Now you can go ahead and change the color like so, and that is it. You could also choose the color picker right here. Okay, go ahead and select your favorite color that is within the canvas itself. Okay, you can go ahead and choose the color picker. Maybe you have uploaded a photo like Facebook, okay, or Snapchat right here. Okay, again, click on background or click on background right here in the left panel. Choose the color picker, maybe yellow, like so. That is it. That's how you change backgrounds on Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.